Hello, my name is Nicholas Santillo, and in this video we're going to be looking at the assignment Customizing a Dataset in DHIS2. So, how to customize a dataset? There are two ways to customize a dataset, and in the instructions we go through both of them, and in this video I'll quickly look at each one of them and describe those differences. So first we're going to pop into our dev space, and we want to find the dataset that we're going to be working with. And we'll be working with the same one that we did just in the previous assignment, which is the monthly school visit. Just as a reminder, we have these data elements here. Now, what we'll want to do is right click, and that'll bring us a lot of options. One of them being manage sections and the other design data entry form. These are the two ways you can customize your data set. The first one, manage sections, is quite easy. We click here and then we can click on the big blue plus, and then we'll be able to select which of these data elements we want to pop into different sections. And we can add as many sections as we want, and we'll just be given the option of creating new sections with what has still been left unselected. And I would assign a name, and then I will get a data set that will be broken up into different sections, each section containing these data elements. If I want to customize my data set in a more design entry form here, what you can see is I now have a WYSIWYG editor. So I can write anything and ask any question, and then I'll pop in that, and that'll be my little text entry box. Of course, if I don't say what this is for, the entry person won't know. It'll just be an empty box, but I can keep doing. But it does mean that you can create as complex a system as you like. You can add tables, you can do all this sort of thing. You can even go into source and do it through HTML if you prefer. And it's very important to remember that anytime you create a custom data entry form, whether that be a section form or this design, that will supersede whatever is there before, or the default view. And the way that works is if you create a section form, that'll supersede the default. If you create a custom design, like what we're looking at here, that'll supersede both the default and any sections. And the issue there is that if you design your form, and as you can see, I've ignored some of these data elements, those will not be in the final data entry form. So you have to just make sure that if you're having some issues and someone's done this, you might want to delete whatever's there, or make sure that it's fully correct before you save it. And that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. You can access our curriculum at the link you see there, or email us at info@logicaloutcomes.net.